While free programs might seem like a great deal, some come with hidden risks that can seriously damage your privacy, security, and even performance. Let's take a look at the 10 worst free programs that you should steer clear of at all costs. Before we begin, I'd like to share something exclusive with you. I've created a free AI tools guide filled with the latest free AI tools that can help you replace expensive software and get more done. To get your copy, sign up for my email list using the link in the description below, and I'll send it straight to your inbox. Don't miss out on this exclusive resource. Let's start with WinFixer. This program is a rogue antivirus that falsely claims to fix system errors, but uses scare tactics to get you to pay for a full version. It installs itself without your consent and is tough to remove once it's on your system. WinFixer is one of the worst offenders, as it actively puts your computer at risk by promoting other forms of malware. Alternatively, use Windows Defender, built into Windows, as a reliable option for free protection. Next up is Honey, the browser extension designed to help you find coupon codes. It sounds great, right? Several lawsuits have accused Honey of replacing affiliate links from influencers with its own, thereby taking commissions that should belong to the original creators. Even worse, it has been found to push inferior coupons and merchant-sponsored links, which often hurt consumers. Alternative, use Rakuten, a more transparent cashback extension. Next on our list is RealPlayer, which was once a go-to media player, but is now notorious for bundling adware and spyware. It collects personal data without consent and has become largely obsolete with the advent of better media players. The program can also push unwanted software and track your activity, making it a major privacy risk. As an alternative, use VLC Media Player, an open-source, ad-free, and one of the best media players available. The following software you do not want on your PC is CC Cleaner. Once a trusted system optimization tool, CCleaner has been marred by security breaches. In 2017, hackers injected malware into its software, affecting millions of users. It's also been criticized for bundling unnecessary apps and collecting data without proper consent. Stick to safer options that actually respect your privacy. Alternative use instead. BleachBit, a great open-source cleaner with privacy-focused features. A very popular free video editor, CapCut, developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok, has gained significant popularity. However, its new terms of service should raise alarm bells. By using the app, you agree to grant CapCut full rights to your content, including videos, voice, and likeness. Even worse, they can use your work without compensation or permission, and there's no way to revoke it once it's uploaded. It's an exploitation of creators, plain and simple. Instead, try these free alternatives. Shotcut for beginners, DaVinci Resolve for advanced editing, Clipchamp for an easy online editor, and InShot for mobile editing. Now let's talk about one of the old players. McAfee used to be one of the top antivirus solutions, but it's now bloated with unnecessary features that can slow down your computer. It's often bundled with new PCs and can be difficult to uninstall. Instead of McAfee, consider lighter and more efficient options like Avast Free Antivirus, a reliable and lightweight solution. Many free PDF converter tools are rife with adware, malware, and other security risks. They often request that you disable antivirus protection during installation, and they can collect your data without consent. Avoid these programs by opting for more trustworthy and secure options. Something like Foxit PDF Reader, which is reliable and safe for viewing and editing PDFs. Avoid free system optimization tools, such as CCleaner, mentioned earlier, or others that claim to speed up your PC. They rarely deliver on their promises. Many of them simply don't work and can actually slow down your system instead of speeding it up. Some even delete critical system files. Avoid these programs. They can do more harm than good. You are better off using the Windows built-in disk cleanup tool. It's safe and efficient for most users. Or Wise Disk Cleaner is also lightweight and effective. Stay clear of free torrents. While torrenting itself isn't illegal, many free torrent clients come bundled with unwanted software. These programs can expose your computer to malware, inject ads, and track your activity. Stick to trusted torrent clients and always be cautious about the files you're downloading. A good alternative is QBitTorrent, an open source, lightweight, and secure option. Norton used to be one of the best antivirus options, but in recent years, it has become bloated with extra features that only slow down your system. It consumes a significant amount of resources, often leaving your computer more sluggish than protected. It's no longer a go-to option for those who value both performance and protection. Use Bitdefender Free Edition instead. It is fast, efficient, and lightweight. Free software can be a great way to save money, but some programs are best avoided due to their security risks, privacy concerns, and performance issues. Always do your research before installing anything on your computer, and consider safer, more reliable alternatives. Don't forget to grab our free AI Tools Guide from the link in the description. It's packed with game-changing AI tools that can supercharge your creative workflow and replace even more expensive software. Make sure to check out our next video, where we dive deeper into the 28 free programs to replace every Adobe program. It's going to take your content creation to the next level. If you found this list useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips and safety advice. What free programs do you avoid? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.